Hello everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're gonna talk about the EV Rider Nomad mobility scooter. But before we get started, let's tune into some epic action shots. All right, everybody, welcome back. So again, we have the EV Rider Nomad mobility scooter. Now, what makes this model special is how lightweight the pieces are. It breaks down into 5 lightweight pieces. The heaviest piece is gonna be 23.5 pounds. It has a weight capacity of 264 pounds, and it has a TSA approved lithium battery. It's super easy to take apart and put in the trunk of your car. We're showing you on the screen what that process is like. Very straightforward. We're gonna go ahead and talk about this thing, go over a couple of the specs, but like always, before I get too far into this video, I gotta tell you about our free product catalog. It has all of our latest products in it, coupon codes, and a lot of information about our company. If you want a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also just call our non-commissioned sales experts with the number below and ask them to send you a catalog, or click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says get free catalog. It'll take you right to the request form. So let's go ahead and talk about the Nomad. Starting from the top here, check out this tiller. Nice ergonomic grips. You can use your left or your right hand. The throttle system here is intended to be used with one hand only. So if you pull back, it's gonna go forward. Push forward on the throttle, it's gonna go back with the right throttle. With the left throttle, it's just the opposite. You push forward to go forward, pull back to go back. Now, on top of the tiller, you've got an easy to read battery meter. Okay, these lights are gonna turn off one at a time as the battery drains. You've got a horn button here and a speed control knob with a picture of a tortoise and a hare. Now you do get this complimentary front basket. It just comes off with the 3 holes and the 3 hooks and hooks right back on with ease. And the tiller, which is what we call the whole handlebar assembly in the steering column, is tilt adjustable. So if you loosen this knob right here, you can bring it closer to you or further away from you when you're in the seat and lock it into place by tightening this up. You do get a key ignition here with a spare key. It's gonna come with 2 keys. The ignition is on the right side right here. Very easy to use, just like a car. Turn it forward, it's gonna turn on. Really quick, before we get any further in this video, I do wanna tell you that towards the end of this video, I want you to look out for a hidden message on the screen, and that's gonna teach you how you could save big on your next purchase. If you're interested in buying one of these, pay attention for that secret message, and you could learn how to get a discount code. It's a secret code. It's gonna allow you to save big time. And of course, year-round, we offer tax-free sales and free shipping. With that being said, let's get back to the video. All right, now check out this floorboard here. It's pretty spacious. Now I have a size 12 shoe, okay? And I'm about 6 foot tall. I feel very comfortable. My knees don't feel cramped up. My feet aren't very high up. Now the seat is 17 inches wide, 15 inches deep. Backrest is 12 inches high. The armrests, again, not only do they flip up, but you loosen up these knobs right here, you can extend them out, adjusting the distance between the armrests. So you're adjusting the seat width, or you can just easily slide them all the way out if you don't want armrests. Something else about the seat is that it does rotate. You see this little lever right here? So this lever right here, you lift it up, seat's gonna rotate 360 degrees. So if you wanna face backwards when you pull up to a table to have a meal, the handlebar and the tiller won't be in your way. It also makes it easier to mount and dismount the scooter when the chair is facing sideways. Before we get any further in this video, I do want to tell you about our special giveaway. If you want a chance to win a free mobility scooter, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and leave a comment on any video. You can leave a comment on this one if you have a question, or if you just want to tell us how much you love or hate the video. That's all it takes. We randomly select people that leave comments and that are subscribed to our channel, and we give them a free mobility scooter. So if you want a chance to win, like the last few winners that you're seeing on the screen now, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and we will reply to your comment within 1 business day. With that being said, let's get back to the video. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the seat. To do that, I like to flip the backrest forward and pull straight up. By the way, you do have a hitch receiver on the back. You just take this little plastic cap off and you can install a rear basket attachment, walker holder, oxygen tank holder, etc. So here's the seat post. What I like about this is you can adjust the seat height without any tools. You just pull this quick release pin out and you can bring the seat post up higher or lower. You see there's 3 little holes there, and that's how you adjust the height of the seat. So I'm a little bit taller, I'm gonna use the lowest hole. But if you have somebody who's shorter or average height, you can use the middle hole or the top hole to adjust the height and then tighten this up so it's nice and firm. The battery pack's right here, lithium ion battery pack. The standard battery is TSA approved. You're gonna have a 25.2 volt battery with around 10 amp hours, giving you about 249 watt hours. You can get an upgraded battery pack that's gonna give you a little bit more travel range, but it's not TSA friendly. I'd say the standard battery is just fine if you ask me, unless you're going on like, 8 to 12 hour commute nonstop. So there's the charging port. It's got a standard barrel connector with 4 pins, not 3. So you do need to use the OEM charger, and you should always do that. Something else I want to talk about is the suspension. Check this out. It's got like exposed suspension in the back, which gives it a pretty cool sporty look. Definitely going to give you a nice smooth ride overall. And the ground clearance is about 1.5 inches. I'm not going to go over all the specifications, but I will throw the specification sheet on the screen at the end of the video and put a link in the description so you can see full specifications if you're interested in things like the tire size, the seat to ground height, the wheelbase, etc. Got some nice anti-tip wheels, and this little red lever here, if you look at the sticker on the back, you can see there's a picture here that says neutral with somebody pushing the scooter, and then drive in the down position with somebody actually riding the scooter. So these have automatic brakes. The brakes are always locked in, and if you need to push it manually, like right now there's no battery, I can put it in neutral and start to push it manually. But if it's in drive mode, the brakes, the parking brake is always engaged. And that's a safety feature. So if you run out of battery, you're not gonna roll down a hill into a ditch uncontrollably. All right, so I'm gonna take it apart now, and this process is pretty awesome. All you have to do is pull up on this yellow lever. I like to put one hand here, and the front detaches from the rear. So now you have your battery pack, the front half, which weighs 23.5 pounds, and then the rear half. All of these pieces are super duper lightweight and very easy to transport and put in the trunk of a car. So that's one of the things that I think makes it so unique. And of course, you can fold down the tiller all the way, loosen up the knob, bring it down here, and it's gonna fit in the trunk of a car, no problem. You also don't want this swinging around like crazy, so there's a lock here. You push forward on this lock. So actually what you do is you pull out and rotate. So if you pull out and rotate either direction, lock that way, unlock that way, you're gonna be able to lock the steering column so that it's not swinging around freely in the trunk of your car as you're taking turns. There's also a nice handle on the front, and you can see the suspension coils in there. So it's got front and rear suspension coils. Pretty awesome stuff for such a small and lightweight travel-friendly scooter that comes apart. You don't really see full suspension on things like this. All right, so I'm gonna put it back together. Look how fast this thing gets put back together. There's some little red markers here on the front part of the frame, red markers on the back. The bar in the back just lines up with the hooks here, and there's really nothing to it. It's effortless. The battery goes in effortlessly as well too. The seat, same thing. Line up the seat post, male connector with the female. Depress the lever when you're dropping it in, and it's in. Put the front basket on with the 3 hooks. All right, folks, so you've learned about the Nomad. I'm interested to know what you think about it. Leave a comment below. Tell us what you like, what you don't like. If you own it, we'd love to hear from you. Tell us what you think about it. What are your first thoughts? It did just come out. We just made this video about a week after it was released. We're here at EV Rider headquarters, They're a great manufacturing partner to work with. We love recommending their products because they handle warranty claims quickly, they always get parts out the door quickly, and they are always available to take our call, whether it's late at night on a Saturday, Sunday. Someone's always available to help us out, and that means a lot. They stand behind their products and they stand behind their dealers. So we highly recommend the EV Rider product line, whether it's the Nomad or any other scooter offered by EV Rider. With that being said, folks, we'd love to earn your business. We offer tax-free sales, free shipping. And if you want a discount code, send us an email, sales@mobilitydirect.com, or call the number at the bottom of the screen below. Until next time, everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Have a great day.